How to see all lives video on Instagram. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe right and head over to your story section. Right here at the bottom, slide all the way to the left. Head over to the option of live. Here you need to start the live video. Tap on this button. Once your live has been started, tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner. I'm gonna share this live to my alternative account and then tap on send. Once you have shared this live, you need to end this live, so tap on this cross icon at the top right corner and then tap on end video. Once the live has been ended, go back and head over to your alternative account. Once you are on your another account, swipe left and head over to the inbox of your alternative account. You will get to see the live that you have sent. Tap on it. So even if the live has been ended, it will show you all of the live videos that is available on Instagram. You can also tap on see all and view more of the live videos. So that's it, and this is simply how you can see all the live videos on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.